going to be making banana bread. I'm gonna try a piece. Okay, taste test. Hello you guys, it's been a few days since I last vlogged. I've been so busy editing my fall video, which I'm hoping will come out before this one. I'm just gonna put on a little bit of makeup and just get ready for the day. I am going to keep things really light and quick. I usually don't do a lot of makeup on it every day anyway. And I'm starting out with my Kosas Brow Gel. As always, I've mentioned my chapstick already. It's more of a lip balm from Trader Joe's. I'm going to just be putting on a little bit of cheek tint here. And I'm just going to be quickly blending it with my fingers this time. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. We had a long weekend here, so a lot of people had Monday off, and it was a beautiful weather. We're supposed to be getting another heat wave. Today it's going to be like 99 degrees, so I am trying to stay cool and do all of my errands and chores early in the day so that I don't have to worry about it later on. I think I'm just going to do that for today. I'm not going to do anything else on my skin. I'm just going to let it breathe, and I'm going to just let my hair down and maybe use this clip. I have a few items that I recently received in the mail, and I wanted to share them with you guys. Maybe you guys would be inspired by some of the items that I bought for the fall. I love watching other people show what they're getting for their fall staple item. Something that I've been on a search for a long time is just a regular gray zip-up hoodie. So I'm sitting in a different spot now, as you can see. So the jacket is from Brandy Melville. I haven't taken off the tag yet, and it's a really nice thick quality. I really like that it also has pockets in the front, and it's a little bit more form-fitting. I don't know, I just really like it. I'm very happy with it. It's soft as well from the inside and out. It feels really nice, and I think I'm going to be able to pair this with jeans and leggings or anything like that. I also really like this design here on the wrist. I think it adds a very nice feminine look, and it's not too baggy as well. It comes in a one size. Okay, and then lastly, I wanted to show you guys these earrings that I got. I'll try to link them below. They're just a very pretty pearly heart at the end. Really nice. And they gave me some other goodies in here as well. It's so cute. I already like that it has a little flag on the side. So let's open it. Let's see what's inside. I remember I used to walk into the store and just always ask if I could take a sticker because I thought they were so cute, and I have a few from their store because I love their basics in general, and a ton of stickers in here. I love stickers, so I'm very happy about that. Like, wow. Oh, this is the one I used to always get when I would walk in. Just this very pretty little happy face. I also really like this one. This is very nice. Look at that. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. And this, let me show you guys all of the pins that it came with, if it'll zoom in. Wow, what are these? Back? If you've ordered from them online, you're probably like, yeah, I've seen this before. This is an amazing way to market their clothes and for you to see their other products. This is the crispy hoodie. Like, that is so cool. I've never ordered from them online. Every time I've bought from them, I've walked into their actual store and I always check out their jewelry because I think it's just really cute for like temporary wear. So yeah, I'm gonna clean all of this up and yeah. Hi guys, I'm going to be making a sandwich now. Since it's almost noon, I'm going to be making a little bit of lunch. I'm going to be using this bread from Trader Joe's, and then I like using their sliced turkey breast slice of bread. I don't want to have too much, so I just do half of it. All of the products that I'm using are from Trader Joe's. This is the yellow organic mustard. Then I'm going to be using the bread and butter pickle chips. And that's it. I love a simple sandwich like that. Pickles are a must in a sandwich, I think. Oh, good. Hey guys, I finished my lunch and now I wanted to show you guys a very small Sephora haul that I also received. I had $15 store credit and I wanted to get something that I know would be something I really loved. Okay, I found my first little sample. This is the second sample. And here is the product that I picked. This is one of my favorites and I absolutely love it. I put my hair in a braid when I go to sleep, and in the morning I just quickly brush it, and I think this will be something I use. It was about $15 and the ounces is 1.7, so this is good for traveling as well. But yeah, that is what I got. I am so excited to try that again. I also have one more product that I got, and I placed this order because I've been looking for a really good pair of sunglasses. So these are my first real good pair of sunglasses. Totally see this being thrown in my purse and being protected. So nice. I think it's leather. I'm not sure, but this is what it comes with. A little cleaner and everything. These are the hexagon. This is what they look like from the sides. I have a lot of trouble finding glasses that actually stay on my face. So these and my Le Specs are the two pairs that do not fall off my nose and my face in general. That is all I have, guys. Here is the new book that I'm going to be starting, Fourth Wing by Rebecca Yarros. I cannot wait to start it. I've heard really good things about it, so I'm going to put on my sunglasses and dive into this book. I hope this is the last heat wave because I'm truly ready for the fall weather, honestly. I love Peet's coffee so much. Hi guys, I am just here going to be finishing my book. I started Fourth Wing, my first fantasy book for the year, and I'm really excited. I've never read anything like that, or any fantasy books of that matter, so I'm really excited that I want to continue. I'm on chapter 2, so I just started, and I really like it so far. If you've read it, then you know that from the beginning it's so captivating. If you haven't read it, I think it's going to be a really good book, so but I will talk about it more as I continue reading it. Yeah, I'm going to take it easy. Yesterday I had a really busy day. I was just going since it was going to be a hot day. I tried to do all of my chores in the morning before it got too hot. And yeah, like the rest of the day I was just cleaning and doing laundry and chores around the house. So I'm going to try to just take it easy today. And as you saw, I got a little coffee, and I'm so excited to just sit down and read, and we'll see what the rest of the day holds. Bye.